Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to the passionate gardening channel again. Today I'm going to do the deadheading to my plants and I'll be covering few topics: why to deadhead, what you need for deadheading, and how to deadhead and what to do after deadhead. So deadhead help, first of all, why to deadhead? Deadhead help the rose plants to bring the energy back to the new growth, because once you are done, deadhead means like the flower which is done flowering, these are finished. So you need to cut this off so that the energy can go to develop more new growth for the more new roses during the summer. You can see some of the branches are already dried out. And what you need for the deadheading, you just need a pruner and a bucket to pick the deadhead branches, and a gloves, because the roses have thorn and you need the gloves to protect yourself. So let's start now. How to deadhead? There's a two different part of deadheading. First is you have to deadhead the ones which is single flowers. Like you can see, there's still few flowers left. This is still not complete blooming yet. So the other reason to mention you why to deadhead, because if you let this flower to stay here, one, the energy will go wastage to make this flower the seeds, and which is we don't want it to waste this energy. Other thing, like if you leave this flower to be dried out, they will stick to the leaves, they will go down there, and when it's going to be decomposed, it will the chances of getting a fungal diseases. So that's the another reason to why to deadhead. So let's do the deadhead. These flower branches is all dried out, so I'm just cutting out this just right behind the last one, which here I leave this too. Once this is done, then I'll do the remaining. So that's the way I'll just keep putting this back here. And other thing, to do the complete deadheading of the full branches, this is the branch where all my flowers is done flowering. So this is the one that a different method. So how to deadhead this one? Go to the next 5 leaves branch, and the reason I'm going further right after this, the reason behind, like it will have a bit stronger branch than normal. So if you do above, it might dried out, it has weaker branch. You can go further actually. Like I'm just leaving another one, just cut it here, so it have a stronger branch and it'll have more flowers. So leaving this like this. So keep deadhead. I will do more the small ones, and that will give me the flower that look beautiful as well. Because if you see this particular one, this too is very beautiful. The dried ones was there, that your eye will catch to the dry ones than the beautiful ones. So if you leave this one, for example, the top one is dried out, so I'm just taking this out. You see how beautiful it is. I missed this for this one, but I'm going to do one by one for remaining plant, and it will give more beauty here. So that's all about it. Hope it will be helpful for your decision to deadhead your roses, and it's important for a new growth and to give more flowers during the summer. Until the next video, give a thumbs up for this video if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you for watching, and keep sharing your comments and your suggestion in the comment box. That will help and encourage me for more content creation. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.